Once again, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. It'll be right up there. We're switching spots all the time. Also, drop a like on this video and also check out my channel for more amazing videos just like this one. I post tons of fun unboxing videos. I have something very fun that we're gonna unbox today. I have the LOL Surprise Clubhouse Mansion. Look at this. And it comes with 2 exclusive dolls. And this looks giant. And it also says that there's 40 plus surprises. So these are exclusive, they're very hard to find, which I'm very excited about. And there's games and a bunch of stuff. So let's get opening. Okay guys, we've got it out of the box just to make things a lot easier and so the video isn't so long. So what is this? What is that? Do you guys see that? Let's push it down. Here. Well, what's happening? What is literally happening? Oh, no way. This is so cool. Oh, wow. Look at that. You guys, let's see. Oh, that's to hold it. What do you do with this? You gotta slide it. Come on, slide. Slide. Whoa. Let's slide this one. Oh, it's a giant space down there. Hey, what is that? I can see it through the window. I don't know. Whoa! We've got a bunch of surprises. Look at this. What? Another one. Okay. So you take it up. Oh, that looks nice. All right, guys, let's get all these surprises out. Here, oh, a bunch of cardboard. We don't need that. Man, okay, that's all. So let's do it to the. What is that? That doesn't seem. Whoa, what's happening? What's happening? Guys, we got a dartboard. And this looks like the gaming area. Look how cool. Anyways, I saw this box and it says danger zone. And I don't know what it is. I have no idea. We've got more surprises in here. Let's dump them out. Woo! Oh my gosh. What is this? That's trash. Oh, you guys. You can put this up on the thing. We'll set up the house later. And it says glitch more than you. And then girl power. Oh, it says more than you. His name is Glitch and her name is Switch BB. And this is them. This is what they look like. That's him. That's her. So let's scoot them to the side. And get to opening all of these surprises. I'm so excited. Let's see this one first. We gotta scoot them closer. This is a giant surprise. See, I got my scissors. What do we get? Guys, oh my gosh! It's a mini little table with the little soccer guys. That's so cool. What? Oh, wait, there's another piece. Guys, it's the ball. It's the ball. Oh, and look, you gotta put this here. I gotta put it up. Oh, I did it the wrong way. There we go. And we can put the ball in there. And look, it actually works. You can actually kick it. So cute. But we can't get too excited about that. There's still more coming. Let's see. What is this? Whoa, that just popped right out. What did we get? Ooh, we got this super cool table. It looks super nice and has a bunch of different colors. I love it. It's literally so amazing. Look at that. Ooh. We got a bottle. Maybe it looks like for one of them. So, there's still so many big ones. Surprise, surprise. Ooh, we got this super duper fancy chair. That looks nice. Let's open this one. I'm not sure what this one is. Whoa, this looks like a bed, but it has holes on it. Oh, I don't know what I did. It has like holes at the bottom and at the top. That's interesting. Hey, there's more. We got a little pillow and a little blanket. How adorable. Let's figure out what this giant thing is. So let's open it. We got this yellow thing. I don't know what that is. We'll have to set it up. Oh my goodness! It's a slide! There's a slide! And then there's this, so you can like put stairs. I think it goes there. I don't know. But this, oh my goodness. They can go down a giant super steep slide. Let's check this out. Whoa. So big. So amazing. Ooh, it's a skate ramp! It's a skate ramp! Oh my gosh! That's a skate ramp. I think the dog's excited too. He's like, yeah, skate ramp. It's a beanbag. It's a beanbag chair. It's a beanbag chair. Oh, this is adorable. It's a beanbag chair. Like, who doesn't love beanbag chairs? Let's check this out. This looks like another chair. Oh, let's see. What could it be? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's a game. It's an arcade game. This one. Oh, and it looks like maybe a superhero game because there's like superheroes on it. That is very cool, and that's definitely gonna have to go in a gaming room. So, ooh, this one's peeking out at us. Oh no. Oh no. Look how amazing that looks. And it says new high score. Oh, and it has the buttons and everything. That's so cute. I love these paper bags. That's a chair. A chair. Oh, wow. Wow. That's all I have to say. Wow. Okay. More. What is this? Come out. What are you doing? Oh, it's a little telescope. They can look at you. And then it moves. Actually moves, which is very cool. This one. What's in here? What is this? Oh, you guys, this is the hammock. Oh, wow. That's a hammock. And it's going to go like this, and it will go wee. Moving on. This is another pretty good one. Maybe chair. Ooh, this one's a yellow chair. It's the same as this, except this one's like an orangey pink, and this one's a bright yellow, like limeish yellow kind of color. Let's get our last few surprises. See what's in there. Oh wow, we got a little, I don't know what that's called, a wrench? Maybe? I really don't know what that is called, but okay, that's cute. Well, this is the little goodies. It looks like the thing that the dentist used to like pull your teeth out. I don't know why. But that looks super. It's little tools. Wow. Okay. It's a hat. It's a hat. It's her hat. I'm coming. Put your hat on. It's her little hat. Oh, and she has roller skates. I just now saw that. Oh, wow. That's super cute. What did we get in this one? We got a hammer. It's a little hammer. Oh, I don't know why I'm obsessed with the hammer, but it's just so cute. We've got a couple more surprises. See? Woo! We got a toolbox. It's a you put the tools in? Oh my gosh. It's a little red baby toolbox. Look how cute that is. And it actually opens everything. Aww. Here we go. Next surprise. That's gasoline. Okay. Some gasoline. Ooh, very, very nice. These are so cute and so tiny. Let's see. What is this? Come out! What are you doing? Ooh, it's a gaming controller. Nice. Look at that. So they can be playing games all night. That's super cute little mini controller. What is this? Ooh, some nice glasses. Heavy duty. Heavy duty, guys. Let's put them on the beanbag chair. Our last one, and then I have to set it all up. Get out. It's a skateboard. It's a skateboard. And it even has like the texture. So they can go wee. The skate ramp. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this all set up and I'll get right back to you. Okay, guys, so we got everything set up and all finished in the LOL Clubhouse, and I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm gonna show you room by room. So first up here we have like the top of the house, like the deck, kind of. So she's up here looking through the telescope, and it looks like there's the toolbox with some tools and the gasoline. Next, if we look over here, I don't think anybody's here right now. Yep, nobody. But here on the other side is the hammock. So now if we go down one into this room, there's just a bed, but if you look through, if you go through that hole, you go down the slide, which I think, imagine if you were just getting up in the morning and you just slid down. So in here, we just have like a sitting area and stuff. We have the chair and the beanbag. Now, if we look right here, it looks like they have some darts and a nice little game to play. So over here, there's some drinks and 2 chairs. Now if you move to the side, there's a ladder which you can move to get up into the rooms. And here is the arcade room. We have that arcade, And I think that's like pinball. That's what I think. And hey, we forgot one thing. Over here, if we look, somebody's skating. It looks like he's trying to skate down the ramp. So, guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Drop a like on this video. Show some love. Also, keep commenting for Bonbon. And I recommend this clubhouse / mansion. It is super duper fun and many things to do if you don't want to get the giant dollhouse. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.